Have you ever wondered if your crypto holdings could be doing more for you? Are they just sitting there, dormant, waiting for that next big price surge, or are they actively generating passive income for you, quietly accumulating more wealth in the background? If your answer leans towards the latter, then chances are you're already familiar with staking. But if it's the former, and you're holding your digital assets on a platform like Kraken, then you're potentially leaving significant gains on the table. Today, we're diving deep into a question that every Kraken user interested in maximizing their crypto returns should be asking: how often are staking rewards paid on Kraken? It's a simple question, but the answer unlocks a powerful avenue for passive income in the world of cryptocurrency. Staking has emerged as one of the most popular and accessible ways for everyday investors to earn rewards on their digital assets. Gone are the days when mining was the only path to earning crypto directly from the network. With proof-of-stake blockchains, you can now participate in securing the network and validating transactions by simply holding and locking up your tokens. In return for your contribution, the network rewards you with newly minted coins or transaction fees. Kraken, as one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the space, has made staking incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. They act as a facilitator, abstracting away the complexities of running your own validator node and allowing you to pool your assets with others to collectively earn rewards. This convenience is a huge draw, especially for those who might not have the technical expertise or the significant capital required to run a validator on their own. But the real magic, the thing that truly differentiates a good staking experience from a great one, often comes down to the frequency of payouts. Why does this matter? Well, it's all about compounding. The more often your rewards are paid, the sooner they can be added to your principal staked amount, and the sooner those rewards can start earning their own rewards. It's the snowball effect in action, and it can significantly accelerate your wealth accumulation over time. Imagine if your bank only paid interest once a year. Now imagine it paying every week. The difference, over the long run, is substantial. So, let's cut to the chase and answer the core question of this video: how often does Kraken pay out staking rewards? The answer, for the vast majority of assets available for staking on Kraken, is weekly. That's right, Kraken generally pays out staking rewards on a weekly basis. This is a crucial detail that often gets overlooked, but it's incredibly beneficial for stackers. While some platforms might pay monthly, or even less frequently, Kraken's weekly payout schedule allows for a much more efficient compounding effect. Now, before we get too deep into the mechanics, let's set the stage. What exactly is staking, for those who might be new to this concept? In the simplest terms, staking is the process of actively participating in transaction validation on a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain. Instead of relying on energy-intensive mining rigs, like in proof-of-work systems, think Bitcoin, POS networks select validators based on the amount of cryptocurrency they stake as collateral. The more coins you stake, the higher your chance of being chosen to validate a new block of transactions. When you successfully validate a block, you earn a reward. Kraken simplifies this by allowing you to stake your assets directly through their platform. When you stake your crypto on Kraken, you are essentially delegating your voting power to Kraken's validators. Kraken then handles all the technical heavy lifting, running the nodes, ensuring uptime, and managing the complexities of the underlying blockchain protocol. In return for their service, Kraken takes a small commission from the rewards earned, and the rest is distributed to you, the staker. The weekly payout frequency is a consistent feature across most of the assets Kraken offers for staking. This means that every 7 days, you can expect to see your accumulated staking rewards deposited directly into your Kraken account. These rewards are typically paid in the same cryptocurrency you are staking. So, if you're staking Ethereum, ETH, you'll receive your rewards in ETH. If you're staking Polkadot, DOT, you'll receive DOT, and so on. Why is this weekly payout so advantageous? Let's consider a practical example. Imagine you stake 100 units of a particular cryptocurrency with an estimated annual percentage rate, or APR, of 10%. If rewards were paid out annually, you'd receive 10 units at the end of the year. You'd then have 110 units to stake for the next year. But with weekly payouts, it's a different story. Each week, you receive a small portion of those rewards. Let's simplify the math for a moment, assuming a perfectly even distribution. With a 10% APR, that's roughly 0.19% per week, 10% divided by 52 weeks. So, in the first week, you'd earn approximately 0.19 units. These 0.19 units are then immediately added to your stake balance, making your new principal 100.19 units. In the second week, your rewards are calculated on this slightly larger amount, and so on. This continuous reinvestment, or compounding, means that your earnings start earning their own earnings much faster. Over the course of a year, this can lead to a noticeably higher total return compared to a less frequent payout schedule. While the difference might seem small week to week, the power of compounding truly shines over months and years. It's the financial equivalent of a rolling snowball gathering more snow as it goes down a hill. It's also important to understand that while Kraken aims for weekly payouts, there might be slight variances in the exact timing due to network conditions, platform upgrades, or other operational considerations. However, the general commitment is to a weekly distribution. You can typically track your lifetime rewards and see your earning history directly within your Kraken account under the Earn or Staking section. Now, let's talk about the different types of staking Kraken offers, as this can sometimes influence the availability and mechanics, though usually not the payout frequency itself. Kraken generally provides two main types of staking, flexible staking and bonded staking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.